Hello student, welcome to our YouTube online channel. I am Hemant sir and today we are going to understand the Daubigny triad. Yesterday we have seen, in our previous video we have seen the basics of classification of element. Okay, so we are continuing with from there only. So we are studying today the classification of element which is done by the Daubigny. So Daubigny triad. Daubigny was the German scientist, and in around 1829 की बात है जब अबाउट 30 एलिमेंट नोन थे, है ना. उस समय अराउंड एट दैट टाइम 30 एलिमेंट्स वेयर known. At that time 30 elements were known. Daubigny has attempted to arrange the element in the form of triad. So what is the meaning of triad? Triad means the group of three elements. What is triad? It is the group of three elements having similar properties. The group of three elements having similar The group of three elements having similar properties are called as triad. So Daubigny ने एक्चुअल में क्या किया था, उसने कुछ ट्राइड्स बनाए थे, यानी ग्रुप ऑफ थ्री एलिमेंट्स फॉर्म किया था. लाइक द फर्स्ट ट्राइड, ही हैज अरेंज फर्स्ट triad. In first triad there are three elements. The first element of the triad is lithium. Second element was sodium and third element was potassium. They have atomic mass. The atomic mass of lithium was 6.9. The atomic mass of sodium is 23 and atomic mass of potassium is 39.1. All these elements have similar properties because their valencies are same. They shows tendency to lose electron. That means all the elements, they are having similar properties, and all the metals, they belongs to alkali metals. So this is the first triad which is arranged by the Daubigny. That's why this triad, that means the element, group of three element, is called as triad. So in 1829 Daubigny has put one rule or one law where the elements can be arranged. The law was the atomic mass of middle element, that means the atomic mass of sodium was approximately similar to the average of atomic mass of lithium and potassium. So what is the statement of Daubigny triad? When elements are arranged in arranged in increasing order of their atomic masses in a group in a group of three element, then the atomic mass of middle element was approximately similar to the mean is nothing but average mean of other two elements. So we have to check whether this rule is going to apply on our triad or not. So according to the law, we can say the mass of, according to the law, the mass of middle element, equals to, the mean means the atomic mass of lithium plus atomic mass of potassium. Atomic mass of, for this triad, it is lithium plus atomic mass of potassium divided by 2. So we had to check whether the atomic mass of sodium, that means 23, will come or not. So what is the atomic mass of lithium is 6.9 plus atomic mass of potassium is 39.1 divided by 2. So 6.9 plus 39.1 is 46 divided by 2, that means 23. So this 23 is the atomic mass of sodium, that means the Dobinier triad was the Dobinier triad rule is going to apply on the triad. Okay, so the Dobinier triad has related the properties of element to their atomic masses, and he arranged the three elements in a group and called triad. Likewise, he has total 3 triads. Okay, so if you want to write, you can write here, because we are going to erase now. So this is the first triad, and we have calculated the atomic mass of sodium is equals to the mean of atomic mass of lithium and potassium. So and all the elements, they are belongs to alkali metals, that means they have similar properties. Okay, now we will discuss about the second triad of Dobinier. So second triad. In second triad, we have first element, that is calcium, and calcium have atomic mass 40. Calcium have atomic mass 40. Then the second element, we have strontium. And strontium have atomic mass 87.5. And the third element of the group is barium, and it has atomic mass 137. If you will calculate according to the Dobinier triad rule, then you will find the atomic mass of strontium is equals to the mean of atomic mass of calcium and atomic mass of barium. You can check, likewise we have done just now. Now the third triad. So the name, all the elements of the second triad was alkali earth metals. Now we will discuss about the third triad. So third triad of the first element have chlorine, which have atomic mass 35.5. Then second element of the triad is bromine, which have atomic mass around 81.25. And the third element of the triad is iodine, and it has atomic mass 127. If we will check the atomic mass of bromine is going to be approximate equals to the mean of atomic mass of chlorine and iodine. All these elements are the element of halogens. All these elements are called as halogens because they form halides. So if we will see, all these elements have similar property. Hence the rule says the group of three elements having similar properties, these groups are called as triad. Then the second triad elements are called as alkali earth metals, and they have similar properties and they obey the Dobinian triad rule. The third triad is called as halogen, and this triad is also obeys the law of Dobinian triad. Okay, so you can see there are only 9 elements, 3 plus 3 plus 3, that means total 9 elements. So we can write only 9 elements are arranged in Dobinian triad, and at that time around 30 elements were discovered. That means rest 20 elements are not obeyed the Dobinian triad rule. This is the limitation of Dobinian triad. This is the limitation of Dobinian triad. ओनली 9 एलिमेंट, सिर्फ 9 एलिमेंट को ही डोबिनियर ने अरेंज किया था आउट ऑफ 30 एलिमेंट्स वेयर डिस्कवर्ड एट दैट टाइम. सो रेस्ट जो एलिमेंट्स थे डोबिनियर ट्राइड को फॉलो नहीं कर रहे थे, इसलिए जो डोबिनियर ट्राइड का जो अरेंजमेंट है वो फेल हो गया. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट डोबिनियर ट्राइड. सो व्हाट इज डोबिनियर ट्राइड? It is the group of 3 elements having similar property, where the atomic mass of middle element is approximately equals to the mean of atomic mass of other 2 elements. It is the rule of Dobinian triad, and only 3 triads were arranged by Dobinian. Other elements were not obeyed the Dobinian triad rule. So this is all about Dobinian triad. सो आई होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा, समझ में आया होगा. सो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को जितना ज़्यादा हो सके शेयर कीजिए अमंग योर फ्रेंड्स, सो दैट आपके फ्रेंड्स भी इस वीडियो का बेनिफिट ले सके. सो आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं अटेंड न्यूलैंड ऑक्टावेज के बारे में. ठीक है, सो बाय फॉर नाउ.